Hello, dear friends. Today we have a special topic: how to arrange your home to attract wealth and harmony. Imagine walking into your home, and every corner is filled with the energy of success and abundance. Sounds incredible, right? But what if I told you it's possible? Watch this video till the end, and you'll learn how simple changes in your home can transform your life. Are you ready for some magic? Let's begin. A home is our sanctuary, a place where we rest, recharge, and feel safe. But what if your home could not only be cozy, but also attract wealth and harmony? In this video, we will explore several simple and accessible steps that will help you create such an atmosphere. The first step is clearing the space. Imagine the energy in your home as a river that should flow freely without obstructions. Cluttered spaces create stagnation, blocking the flow of new, positive energy. Start with a thorough cleaning, getting rid of unnecessary items that only take up space and bring no joy. Pay special attention to your front door. It is the portal through which energy enters your home. Keep the entrance clean and free of obstacles. Place plants or talismans near the door that symbolize protection and well-being. The next important step is arranging your furniture properly. It's essential to have enough open space in your home for energy to circulate. For example, don't place furniture in a way that blocks doors or pathways. This creates energetic barriers. Pay particular attention to your bedroom, as it is where you restore your energy. Your bed should be positioned so you can see the door, but not directly in line with it. This creates a sense of security and promotes better rest. Lighting is another key element. Bright light attracts positive energy, while dark, gloomy corners can become places of stagnant, negative energy. Use lamps, candles, and even mirrors to reflect and enhance light in your home. Mirrors are powerful tools for enhancing the energy of your home. They double the energy, so it's important to place them correctly. Never hang a mirror directly opposite the front door. This will reflect and push energy out of the house. Instead, place mirrors where they will reflect beautiful and positive things. The color scheme of your home also plays a significant role. Light, warm colors create a sense of coziness and attract positive energy. Green and gold colors are associated with wealth and prosperity. You can use them in your interior to attract financial success. Plants in the house are not only decorative, but also powerful sources of living energy. They purify the air, fill the space with vitality, and attract luck. Pay special attention to money trees and bamboo. They are considered symbols of wealth and prosperity. Aromatherapy is another way to improve the energy of your home. Use essential oils like lavender, rosemary, mint, and citrus to create a relaxing atmosphere and attract positive energy. Spray them around the house or use aroma lamps. Water is an important element symbolizing the flow and movement of energy. Aquariums, fountains, or even vases with clean water can be great additions to your interior. It's important to keep the water clean, as stagnant water brings stagnant energy. You can also cleanse your space with sounds. Use bells, singing bowls, or just music to fill your home with positive vibrations. Sounds disperse stagnant energy and help create a harmonious atmosphere. Symbolism is a powerful tool for attracting what you desire. Place symbols in your home that are associated with wealth and prosperity for you. These could be images of money, golden coins, statues of elephants or dragons, anything you like and that evokes positive emotions. Order and cleanliness in the kitchen are the keys to health and well-being. Keep your kitchen clean, regularly check your food supplies, and get rid of anything spoiled. It is believed that a clean and well-maintained kitchen attracts financial success and abundance. Don't forget about the bathroom. It's a place where we cleanse ourselves not only physically, but also energetically. Regularly clean your bathroom, use pleasant scents, and keep the plumbing in good condition. Cleanliness and order in the bathroom help maintain harmony and balance in the home. Balance and harmony in the home are achieved not only through physical changes, but also through your internal state. Strive to maintain a positive attitude, avoid conflicts and negative emotions. Your inner state directly affects the energy of your home. Wrapping up the main story, I want to emphasize that creating a harmonious space is a process that takes time and attention. Start small, gradually introduce changes, and observe how your life transforms. Remember, your home is a reflection of your inner world, and taking care of it is taking care of yourself. It's also important to involve the whole family in this process. Joint cleaning, arranging furniture, and decorating the house help create not only a cozy space, but also strengthen family bonds. Do it with love and joy, and your home will surely reciprocate. In conclusion, I want to say that every home is unique, and there is no one-size-fits-all recipe. Listen to your heart, trust your intuition, and create a space that inspires and fills you with energy. May your home become a place of strength and prosperity where love, harmony, and abundance reign. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more useful and interesting content for you. And remember, if we get 5,000 likes, I will post a video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. Leave your comments, share your thoughts and ideas. See you next time, friends.